This is better than bacon.
Welcome to Man of the House. I'm Spence. Today we're making pork belly burnt ends in the oven barbecue, and it's better than bacon.
This is better than bacon.
These will be great for your Super Bowl party or a family reunion or a church gathering. Anywhere where you're going to be with people and you need to bring food, bring this. It's better than bacon. It's so good. Everyone's going to love it, especially the men.
This is better than bacon.
Saying something is better than bacon is a big claim, but how are we going to back that up? Well, I'm going to use pork belly, which, if you'll notice, looks a lot like bacon because this is what we make bacon out of. So, to get started, this is going to be one of the easiest things that I've ever made. Basically, we're going to cut this up, put it in a bowl, and toss it with some seasoning. So, I'll get started. So, we cut this into about 1-inch rectangles like this. And the reason is because Costco cuts them very narrow. You see how narrow that is? Normally you'd probably want it like this. So if you could do it without using the Costco pork belly, you could cut it into cubes that are about 1 inch by 1 inch or 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. But for me and my purposes today, we're going to cut them into little rectangles. And this is super easy to do. It's not hard at all. When you get done, just toss that into a bowl. That was easy. Into the bowl, we're going to add Frank's Red Hot Original. It's just cayenne pepper sauce and vinegar, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of garlic powder. It's super clean. It's super good for keto. It's probably okay for carnivore. Just a few shakes on there. Not a lot. Don't go absolutely crazy. Then, this is my clean hand. This is my dirty hand. Get in here and get all these little pieces coated in the Frank's. All right. Today I'm using rib rack, sugar-free barbecue rub. This is really good. I've used it on the last few recipes, and this is pork. It's going to work great on here. So we're going to sprinkle it liberally in here. And we mix. It's better than bacon. Trust me. All right, we've got that coated, so now we're going to add it to the baking tray and rack. So I'll move the rack over here. Now the trick with these is there's a fat side and there's the meat side. You want to put the meat side down and the fat side on the top. And I'm not stacking it like this because I won't have enough wire, but this way I will. We're just going to take our time setting these up. Okay, I've got these all set up on the tray. You'll notice that these I just laid over. It's because they're too tall and too misshaped on the bottom to actually stand up without playing dominoes with the whole tray. So I'm just going to lay those on the side. It's fine. The rest are standing up nicely. Maybe this one not. But this is going to be great. Now we're ready to stick them in the oven. The oven is set to 275 degrees. We're going to stick them in there for about 2 hours or until they become 200 degrees. Two hours later, we'll check on them. This is looking good. Well, be careful moving this tray because it's extremely full of grease. All right, so these are looking amazing, but we want to check them, and we're going to use the thermometer. We want them to be about 200 degrees, maybe a little more. Ooh, they pop. Nice. All right. It's close to 200. We're going to poke these, and if we have any resistance, that's how we'll know if they're not done, but these are very tender. These are very ready. Even these that are turned sideways. Not the way I wanted to cook them, but the way we had to. We're going to start taking these off and putting them in this bowl because we're going to put barbecue sauce on them. It's easier to put barbecue sauce on them in a bowl. All right, this is the secret weapon. We're going to use our sugar-free from G. Hughes original barbecue sauce. Shake it up. Get a nice amount in here to coat all of the pieces. Now we're going to stir it up or toss it. Kind of just to coat all of these with barbecue sauce. All right, they're all coated. So onto a new tray. Spread them out into a nice even layer. These go back into the oven. We'll start with 15 minutes. But I'm so hungry, and these look so amazing. Oh my gosh. This is going to be so good, I can tell. Tell me that doesn't look amazing. In we go. It's been 15 minutes. We're ready to pull these out. Oh yeah, it's looking nice. This is going to be a hit at your Super Bowl party, your family reunion, any gathering where you want to bring food to impress people. This is the one. It's better than bacon, I promise you. It's so good. All right, we're going to get it plated up, take some pictures, shoot some more video, and then the taste test.
This is better than bacon.
Now for the moment of truth, the taste test. But first, hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps us out. Now on to the taste. Got a fork. I'm going to take this one right here on top. Oh, look how perfect it is. Oh, it's so tender. It's so good. All right, I'm going to, no barbecue sauce. Yes, that'll knock you over. It's so good. Oh my goodness, it's so delicious. Before I talk more about it, I'm gonna take another bite. This is what you want to bring. Do this for your Super Bowl party, for your family reunion, for dinner on Tuesday night. This is what you want to do. It's so good. It's better than bacon. You don't get your fingers dirty. You can use a toothpick. You can use a fork. This is the best thing there is to do for a Super Bowl party. Yeah, wings are fun. But wings, you get your fingers all messy. Your guests are going to get your couch all messy. With this, just a nice plate, nice little fork, little dipping cup for their barbecue sauce. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
This is better than bacon.
I forgot what to say.